Good afternoon. My name is Drew Buttress, Senior Product Manager with Sony's Professional. Today we're highlighting the REAC-1000 Edge Analytics Appliance. This high-power graphics processing unit is capable of 5 applications, including handwriting extraction, PTZ auto tracking, Chroma keyless CG overlay, stand-up by or close-up by gesture, and dynamic focus area cropping. On the monitor above me, we are showing the auto tracking application. The Edge appliance is following the subject and controlling Sony's PTZ BRC X1000 camera. When the subject stops, we will auto center or auto frame to the center. As we move over to this side, here we're highlighting our Chroma keyless CG overlay. The Edge appliance is actually extracting our model without the use of a green screen, which is commonly used for chroma keying. All right. And then finally, we're also demonstrating handwriting extraction. In this case, as the camera and the Edge appliance capture the handwriting, it is highlighted and brought out to the foreground, and this way we're able to show the expression on the instructor's face, emphasis by capturing color and body language. It's a great tool for schools and corporate production. You see what happens as he moves back, now that handwriting is in the foreground. For more information on the REAC-1000 or any of Sony's BRC and SRG cameras, please come and visit our website, www.sony.com/PTZ.